Welcome to the second part of our video series on the LISENS scan radar sensor. In this part, we will install the sensor in the mounting bracket. To do this, first take the mounting bracket. It is open on one side and closed on the other with a round plug. The cutout for the sensor is located on the front. A quick note at this point. The sensor does not necessarily have to be installed in the bracket supplied. It is also possible to integrate it into customer-specific brackets or directly into the barrier housing. The dimensions for this are available from us. Now insert the sensor unit into the mounting bracket. Be sure to pay attention to the correct mounting side, as this determines which way round the sensor must be inserted into the bracket. For example, if the sensor is to be mounted on the right-hand side, turn the mounting bracket so that the opening is facing forward and the round plug is on the left, as shown in the video here. The easiest way is to hold the bracket in the same position as it will be mounted later. Then insert the sensor so that the weather protection cover is facing upwards and the LEDs are facing downwards. Please note that the cables must first be inserted into the bracket and the connection cable must be fed through the opening in the round plug at the same time. The second cable on the sensor head is already equipped with a terminating resistor. This is only removed if several sensors are to be connected in series. The sensor head is then secured using the two round plug pins supplied. It is best to use a light hammer and possibly a screwdriver as an extension. This will allow you to carefully insert the pins. Finally, close the console with the lamella plug. In the next part, we will deal with mounting the system on the barrier housing.